Good morning! It's Saturday and we're gonna go see if we can get some more work done today. We're gonna go back to that dump truck we were tearing down and we're gonna probably get the bed off today and get the motor out and get the motor ready to haul to my place. So should be a fun one. We're just about there, so I will see you in just a second.
Some of these on here, make some feet that we can weld on the side of the frame to drop the frame on. Got a bunch of scraps here we're gonna use to do it. Nothing has to be pretty.
One of Clark's projects. Rat rod with the Cummins. There's the body. Putting new floor in it. Gonna be doing a lot of torching today. Finish tearing this thing apart. Gotta get to my toolbox.
Yeah. I thought I brought one. I probably gave us probably should.
So right now we're welding the posts. We're gonna do 4 posts on each side and cut the frame. So then we can it'll basically just be like a motor stand for that for now. But we're gonna slide the bed off before we cut the frame, so. It's a good thing he knows how to weld. Oh. Okay, we're gonna move that. Excavator is wore out, so we can try.
Might want to bring it into that one track, Smith.
Yeah. I'm so hesitant with the controls.
Yeah, you gotta be there. Yeah. Probably walking forward now, Vaughn.
Okay.
Go that way now. Swim it that way a little bit. Hey, that's probably way. Come back this way a little bit. I don't want to walk this shit too much. Come back this way a little bit. We need to walk forward. Come forward now. Oh, that'll work.
Okay. Okay, watch out. This is gonna be.
Yeah, go slow.
Well, there goes what's left of the truck. Got a bunch of crap here and the bed that he's gonna fix up. Put new fenders on it, new end gate, build the bed sides up a little higher. I don't know. We'll probably follow that project too. And there's the motor and the front axle. We just got the motor covered up with this hood for now so it stays out of the weather a little bit until I can come and get it. But so that's pretty much it. Got the truck tore apart, so I'll keep you updated when we bring that motor home and start working on it. So there he is. So if you enjoyed this little project, give it a like and subscribe and wait for the next video, I guess, because it'll be coming. But I really appreciate all you guys watching and leaving comments and likes, and so yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.